Allah yadkhulahu tanweenu wal kasratu. Kasra and tanween is not read on them with two exceptions. Two cases are exceptional. Alif lam and tanween. If alif lam enter in such words or possession, is case of possession, then this rule is not applied. Fine, kasra will be read. Okay, let's read it quickly and let me think if we have add something. No, it's fine. Yeah, if anything is added, I will add in it. But this is summary. Fine, summary is created. Now we will do ijra. Okay, so let's see different ending. Basically, this topic it corrects the different endings. So a learner student he can be able to read right endings. Never make mistake of endings. Yeah. So endings are air. Oh wait. Let's see Arab first. Yep, it's okay. Arab I send you. These are Arab. First we see what are endings. What are endings? So these are endings. Fine. Two images I sending you, but these are endings with signs, endings with harakat. Called i'rab bil harakat, i'rab bil harakat, i'rab bil harakat. There is other i'rab bil harf. Which type has i'rab bil harf? Which type has i'rab bil harakat? Which type has both i'rab? Sometime i'rab bil harf, i'rab bil harakat. We have seen in 9 types of i'rab, and we will review it today also shortly. Okay, so here. See, these are 3 endings that are read somewhere. This, or this is any of these, and there are so these both are harakat and tanween, harakat. So the decliner they decline this one. This is kasra. They decline this one. So this is not read. This sign is replaced with this sign. These are Arab. Fine. These are endings. Noun and air, they both end. There is one more ending I can share, but that is coming soon. There is one more ending, and that is like I sent you that ending too. Here, this is also an Arab. It's called jazm or sukoon. Arab is majzoom. Yeah. For example, amr, the order or request is amr. Fine. Amr is always has amr ends with this this ending. So this will be like this will be called Arab of order. Okay, order ends with this sign. You see, this is ending of Arab. Sukoon. So Arab, order is always silent. Like you say, quiet, keep quiet. Uskut. Being quiet is sukut. Uskut. You say stand up. Standing up is qiyam. So you say kum. Sit down is julus. You say ijlis. Kum. Ijlis. Uskut. Idhab. So these are like silent in the end. The ending is silent, right? Keep quiet. Uskut. Silent or not? Silent. Stand up. Kum. Silent, right? Sit down. Ijlis. Go. Then idhab is end in the. This is also an ending. But here that is ending for amr is verb, by the way. Verb is not started yet. I'm just giving example, like a different example of different Arab. These are we just seeing Arab. So this is also an Arab, but for noun there's 6 Arab. Fine. For nouns you see like signs and 3 letters. Which type of noun has Arab with letter? We will see it now. A list is there. We will see it in the list. Okay. So endings Arab and noun differently ended, not same ended. Dhalika, haulai, ulaika. Such noun they ended same. Their ending is changed. Ulaika is not ulaiki, ulaiku. Dhalika is not dhaliki, dhaliku. Fine, they are mabni, they remain same. So differently ending. Those are more different Arab. Then Arab nouns they have 2 cases. The more of nouns that take Arab, there 2 cases. Take all Arab are read on them, but in other case 2 Arab cannot be read on the 2 that case. But this rule is because rules are not always for always and always every case. Rules are most of the time. So when we say this is rule, it means this is rule most of the time, which means there may have some exception. So Allah yadkhulahu hukmuhu Allah yadkhulahu tanween wal kasratu wat tanween. La yadkhulahu kasratu wat tanween. Kasra and tanween will not be read or entered with 2 cases, 2 exceptions. Exception alif lam and possession. These 2 cases are exception. So yeah, you'll be not reading kasra and tanween on such nouns. They did not take kasra and tanween. And why kasra and tanween? Why this thing takes place? Kasra and tanween, like they decline kasra and tanween. Why this rejection takes place. They reject or refuse kasra and tanween for reasons. Fine, for reasons, and those reasons are how many? Reasons are 9. Okay, we may see if time allows. We say I don't think it because it's ijra. We're doing ijra. Okay, let's see. So it is because of reasons, and those reasons are how many? Reasons are 9. You already know that reasons are 9 reasons. And what do those 9 reasons do? They cause a noun to decline kasra and tanween. So in result kasra and tanween not right on them. Fine. Two or how many? Two or one? Like two, not all 9 together found in some noun. Two or one that is equivalent of 2, equal to, that is equal to 2. Fine. Here, okay, this will this way. So here, yeah, 2. There are not all reasons, not only one reason is found. Minimum 2 reasons are found, or one reason that is equal to 2 reasons. Fine, 2 reasons are found. So those reasons, we said it yesterday. What do these 9 reasons do? They cause noun. They cause noun to decline. To decline, you can say reject, refuse, push, but decline kasra and tanween. Fine. Two endings, kasra plus tanween, not slash tanween. Kasra plus, there is plus. Okay, kasra plus double sign. What is tanween? Tanween is double sign. I sent you images always. I mean also already. They cause a noun to decline kasra and tanween, and then hence you can say hence. What happens then when they decline kasra and tanween? Then kasra tanween not read on them. These endings, these two endings, not read on them. Fine, it is ready almost. Endings not read, not read on them. Fine, it is ready. Not on them. If you have any question about this summary, you can ask, or then we start ijra. Okay, okay, it's ready. Should be little here. Okay, they cause noun, whatever noun these two reasons are combined, or one reason is found. They decline kasra, then we will not be read. Okay, summary is ready. Okay, now let's see once, and then we do ijra. Endings, i'rab, differently ended nouns or more with different i'rab. So two cases. There are nouns they take all endings, all i'rab, and nouns they take all i'rab other than two, means they decline two. Fine. Which two? Kasra and tanween. This is its rule. They decline kasra and tanween, they reject. But this rule is for most of the time. Most of the time means it's not always for every single case. Most of the time means because they're aksari. The rules are aksari, not kulli. Fine. So they decline kasra and tanween, but this rule is most of the time it means two. There can be exceptions. Yes, there are exceptions. How many exceptions? Two. Which two exceptions? Here, yeah. Alif and possession. If alif lam entered, so I say alif, but it is alif lam. Let me add alif lam as well here with same color. Okay, alif lam enter. No, alif lam